So, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a paperclip in Fusion 360. So, today is our second day, so let's start. As for your information, I created our folder. So, let's go. So, first thing first, let's save our file. Let's name it paperclip. Okay, after that, we will create um, yeah, we can create our sketch first. So we will select this axis like Z. So as we think our paperclip is lying on a desk. So after that we will choose the line. So let's pick it. And for the size we will type 16.25. And so by the way, I'm looking for the sizes. Yep, we will type 16.25, and after that we will go and type a 7.5 millimeters with 90 degrees, like that. After that, actually you don't have to press enter every time. I'm just pressing enter. If you don't press enter, your line will keep going. And for this 160 26.25 will be enough. After that, we will type 6.5, and then we will go 19.25, and for there 5.5. Yep, let's, yeah, that will be much more better. Yeah, and for the last part, by the way, 9.25. Yeah, that is all of our paperclip. So we will select these two ones and make them construction lines, because they actually want more, because these ones won't be there and they will be like a circle, you know. uh if you're asking yourself why it is taking so much, actually we did nothing. I am looking for the sizes and it's a little bit confusing, so I'm so sorry about that. Wait, so yeah, for our like circles in here, we will go to create arc and tangent arc. We will just go here like that. So for there, same, and for there we will do it like that. Yep, and after that we can just finish our sketch. So let's go to whole menu. Yeah, your sketch should be looking like that. And so that is just lines. So when we are doing a paperclip, we have to make it thick, right? So let's create a new sketch in this axis. So after that, uh, press C on your keyboard so you can activate circle. So, and then drag it a little bit and type 0.75. Yeah, that will be enough. And after that, um, we will finish our sketch and go to sweep. Wasn't it there? Wait a little bit. Yep, I was right. Yeah. And we will pick sweep. So for the profile, we will select this one. And for the path, we will select this one. Yeah, as you can see, our paperclip is actually done. Yeah, and for the distance, you can change the distance, by the way. For example, I just want to make like hell. As you can see, the distance changes. When I make it 1, picks the 100 of the our line, our path. So, and make sure it's new body, and after that you can click OK. And as you can see, our paperclip is done. So if you want to get rid of these kind of lines and see it much more beautiful, you can just press Control 4, and if you want to go back, you can just press Control 6 on your keyboard. So that will change how it looks, like that. So after that, our paperclip is ready. So make sure you save it by Control S. And version description 1v1, and you just save it like that. After that, our paperclip is good to go. So see you in the next video. In the next video, we will do an ice ice cube box, like that. You know, you fill the water and put it in the fridge. Then when it came up, it becomes ices. I don't know the name, sorry about that. But we will design this, and in the last video we will design oh, sorry, I forgot the name. Whatever. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.